Holy smokes. Hey folks, how's it going today? Josh here again, back out in the wilderness, and found a nice little spot by a crook here. Kind of got a spooky little woods back here to sleep in. And yeah, I'm gonna set up the hammock, do a little camp out here. And I noticed there's a little game trail just over here behind the camera, so maybe we'll see some deer in the evening. But yeah, should be a good little trip. Get camp set up first and try to find some wood after that. Doesn't look like there's too much right here, so I might have to scavenge out pretty far. Well, I just traveled a long way for that. This area isn't really that great for wood, and everything's really wet. Whew. I really should have brought my bigger saw. The wood's nice. Nice and dry, some of it anyway. I'm probably not gonna cut this all up small. It's gonna be a real pain in the you-know-what with this. So I'm probably just gonna feed it in. Be less work doing it that way. Check the woods out back here behind the hammock. It's super creepy in there. Hopefully it's not haunted. Hopefully it's not haunted in there. It's a little bit creepy. Looks like a little fox den, maybe. Doesn't look used. Starting to rain a little bit now, just sprinkling. Hopefully that's all it does, because I don't want to have to sit under the tarp. Alright, so we just got some hamburger. What we're going to do tonight is just one of these sidekicks, Mexican rice. And got the water boiling. I'm going to do some hamburger in the pan. That's about ready too, I guess. Hamburger's still a little bit frozen, but cut up a little bit, it's getting cold. A little red pepper here. Just mix that right in and oh yeah. Shouldn't be too hot. It's hanging in my face. Oh yeah. Wow, that's delicious. Add the hamburger to it and the red pepper. Rain kind of stopped a little bit. Just threw some wood on the fire. Try to get that going again. Starting to cool off a little. Just gonna keep the fire nice and small because I don't want to go through too much of the wood, and I want a little bit for morning if possible, because I don't want to have to go collect it tomorrow to do breakfast. Well, someone asked me before how you do dishes in the woods. Well, if you have water around and there's sand or a very light mud, just throw some of that in there. Grab some of nature's good moss here and just scrub it. And that takes everything out, all the burnt stuff or anything that's stuck. Cheers. Holy smokes. I was just lighting the lantern and a deer came down that trail. And he just made a big snot noise at me and he took off running. Big deer. I don't know if he had antlers, but he was big and he wasn't happy. Scared the crap out of me. Well, just gonna sit here by the fire, have step 2, and just relax for the rest of the evening. But yeah, it's gonna go down to 0 tonight, Celsius, and the 12 hours of darkness is setting in. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Cheers. Well, here comes the cold. And the cold rain. The deer came back again this morning. This time 3 of them, right over there, same path. Came actually closer this time than they noticed me, and they all made their snuff noises and they all took off. Didn't get it on video though. Had my back to them, they took off so quick. It's crazy. Dusk and dawn. That's when the hunters go out. Pretty cool though. They got really close that time, like really close. Didn't even hear them till they started making their sniffy noises and took off. Alright, let's see if I can flip these eggs. Oh yeah, there's one. Not too bad. So last night wasn't too bad. It was warm most of the night. Around 5 this morning though, in that cold part of the morning, it got a little chilly, but I was kind of pushing the limits on some of this gear. It's rated to it's rated to 5 degrees Celsius, most of this stuff, and it got down to 0. Supposedly anyway, I'm not sure if it actually did, but had a good sleep anyway. Ghosts and goblins didn't come out of the spooky woods behind me, so that was good. Yeah, nice night. Babbling brook, nice cool little breeze last night. Not windy, just like a slight breeze. I smell that damp forest fall air. It's really nice. The sun's up this morning, it's beautiful out. It's nice when it's not raining first thing in the morning on you. Rained last night a little bit too, off and on. Nothing crazy, but well, that's it for this one, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Woo! A lot of work coming back for the camera.